make strawberry infused tequila, all you need are 2 ingredients, tequila and strawberries. Now the more you want to taste the strawberry flavor, the more strawberries you're going to use. So we're extra. So we're going to use the entire container, which is about 3 cups of strawberries. If you don't want it to be such a strong strawberry flavor, you can use less. The next ingredient would be your tequila. You definitely want to stick with a silver tequila because any gold, reposado, añejo tequila is going to come with its own flavor. A lot of times it's going to have notes of caramel or vanilla, and it's going to take away from the strawberry flavor. So silver tequila it is.
And for the tools, you will need a funnel, a bowl, a tightly sealed jar, and to strain all of the little strawberry seeds, you will need a fine mash strainer or a cheesecloth.
So the first thing we're going to do is cut the strawberries into small pieces. It's important to cut them up because that's gonna help the flavor get released from the strawberry and into the tequila. So you can also cut these just in half. It's fine. I know a lot of people do it that way. We're gonna try and have this made in 3 days. So I think the smaller the pieces, the better.
Yes.
I don't know if that's real good science, but it makes sense to me. She works while I eat.
Yeah. What kind of partnership is this?
These are really good. It's also important to use ripe strawberries. Look how nice and vibrant and red these are.
Yeah, they're really good. Very sweet.
Maybe I shouldn't put that there. Well done, Bianca.
Thank you. Thank you.
She did the hard part.
Yeah. You're gonna wanna store this in a dark and cool place anywhere from 3 to 5 days. The longer you store it, the stronger the strawberry flavor. 3 days later.
And here we have our strawberry infused tequila.
Yum.
All right, let's open this baby up. It smells good.
Strawberries.
Delish.
I smell the strawberries.
So as you can see, the strawberries have kind of turned like a pale white pinky color, and all of that color and goodness went into our tequila. Yum, delish.
If you're wondering how to make tequila infused strawberries, now you know. So now we're gonna be double straining it and pouring it back into this bottle. We're gonna get all the seeds.
I love it.
So here's our final product, guys. As you can see, it's strawberry-licious.